Such dicks. Tree's got like a big cavernous vagina. Of course. Little groups of red-titted boob-tit birds. Cock-titted titty farters. Aggressive cliffs. Dead end. It looks like it's a dead end. Just, nah, you just work your way through the reeds. It's like super close and nice. Nice little change from the open river.
It's just a wire holding up that windmill. Yep, see?
Soulless beasts.
So gross.
I hate them.
Tell them I hate them. Bog of eternal stench.
Shitty water. Water's like 10 centimeters deep.
Don't need to splatter me.
So the whole country took a shit in this river and
Stinks.
we were like paddling through it. I always have skid marks.
Is this a dead end? Maybe we went the right way last time.
Maybe.
I'm okay with that. I kind of want to go back through there.
Let's have a look. What do you reckon?
I don't think it looks like...
Yeah. You never know, it could be one of those red herrings, but...
Usually you can't get through where that weed is.
Yeah. Looks like a veritable wall of reeds. Well, back we go.
Do you want some help with the paddling? That is disgusting. Ugh. Alright, I'm going to paddle.
That was a shitty bottle.
Hang on, I'll zoom in. Ooh.
The people must be told.
Who's the real animal?
The answer is man.
Could you tip it by just leaning like that?
You really couldn't with one this wide.
Okay.
No, you couldn't try.
Promise? Don't
no.
don't try and rock it on purpose.
I wouldn't do it. I don't want to go in, that would be horrible. I could do a road dancer on the trip. I don't even have my phone in a special bag like you do.
Have to be prepared, Pete.
Do you go into that tree?
Oh God. No, because we'll get hurt. It looked taller from further away, didn't it?
Right now, like a giant pelican will just like swoop down now. That's one of those white-breasted, shitty dick birds. Look at him, he's like trying to smell like trying to smell he just farted.
It's the weirdest neck
Yeah,
ever.
no, his neck's like as long as his whole body.
What is that in the water? Is that a snake?
Pardon, where?
There's like something floating in the top of the water over there.
Hey, it's a snake.
Gross.
Try and get on camera.
I'm trying.
It's not going to come up to our boat. Like... Ew, there's a snake.
Ugh, Pete. What sort of snake? Oh God, and we're stuck on a fucking boat on the... Woo! Pete.
It's all good. You can't get inside the kayak, it's just...
Well, what if it can?
You wouldn't want to. It'd just be like chilling in there though. So it might just...
That's fucking gross, I'm sorry. I hate nature.
Fuck you, nature. Did you get it on camera?
Yes. I don't think you can see much though.
Nah.
Are we going to go around its house? We can't go over there. Where we were actually supposed to go. What did you think it was?
There's a bunch of them.
Now I'm just on red alert for snakes.
There's an arch. Little one crocodiles.
Shut up. Oh, fuck. My hero. That was pretty close to tipping, you must admit.
Spawn on tape, love.
What is it? Bit of crud? Ugh. Okay, I think I've recovered from my mild heart attack. I'm not outdoorsy.
You just gotta go slow in these parts. It's probably better if I just paddle.
Yeah, I think that's probably best for both of us.
Because when you get up to too much momentum, that's when the little like skiffs along the bottom feel like they're gonna tip you. It's a little bit trickier in a two-man canoe because it's a bit longer, so you don't have that momentum as easily. We'll go through there.
I think if I was in a canoe on my own, I don't think I'd be brave enough.
You wouldn't be?
No. It's a sharp turn.
Yeah, I didn't think you'd want to go that way.
Why?
You have a snake in the water.
Peter! I didn't even see it. Aren't you scared about like disembarking off of this thing, like stepping in the water?
Nope.
What sort of snakes live in the water?
Tiger snakes.
Oh fuck, they're aggressive as.
Yeah, they're a bit aggressive, but they just can't get into a boat like this. It's just the wrong, like they can't launch themselves. Like.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're not just saying that?
No, definitely not. If I thought they could get in, I'd be a bit nervous as well, but I just know they can't.
Makes me feel a bit queasy. I think it's evil that they can like swim and be quick on land and in the water. It's just not fair.
Yeah.
So if one come near the boat, would you just like paddle at it?
Yeah. I'll cut its head off if I know.
Oh, it's not going to get that close. So can they breathe underwater or do they just...
No, I think they just like scooch along the surface. I'm not sure if we're going to
I did see a spot a bit further back.
Oh, okay. Well, I think that's probably going to be a good start.
If you hug the right hand side, like so we'll turn around, other side, the current right hand side.
Okay. No, I think it's just a bit reedsy and a bit shitty though. I noticed I'm getting a bit of shit on the oar again, so...
Oh shit, I just saw another snake over there.
Where? Oh yeah, look at that. It's cool.
It's not cool.
It's fairly cool, like it's action, man.
Can I get it on the video?
It might even be, I don't know if that's a snake or not.
Looks like a snake to me, man.
Yeah, it does a bit. It's just really bobbing up a lot, like, it almost looks like a fish.
It's not a fish. What fish is going to be there?
Yeah. Look at this fish, like, this fish just under here kicking up a listed, I think.
That's a snake, because now I can see its head.
Really? Are you zooming in on it?
I'm trying.
Cool, man.
I don't know if you've got very good footage of that, but... So gross. I'm just really scared of them.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
I didn't even think about snakes. Like when we went for our walk, I sort of thought, oh yeah, snakes.
Yeah, yeah.
But you just don't think. And because like we can't get away, because we're in the canoe, it like feels more scary.
Boat away.
Just saying, it feels more scary than it did when we went for our walk.
So where'd you see the spotlight?
It was very obvious, like...
You can still like the fish activity going on underneath. Like,
I fucking hope it's fish.
Yeah, it is, yeah. It's like carp, that's what carp do. That's why everyone hates them, because they make the water all shit.
I think there's a snake up ahead.
Really?
See that little thing sticking out the water? Is it? It fucking is, Peter. I feel like if we like went to go sit and have a picnic somewhere near here, there'd be lots of snakes.
They'd be the same amount as there's been for the whole time, though. Because we've seen a few more in here, because it must be like, because it's shallower, there must be more like things for them to eat and stuff.
Such assholes, I hate them. I feel like I'm just on snake patrol now.
Oh, look, down there. You know what's probably down there?
What?
Loads of snakes. Ah, we must have had to go back the wrong way. It's gone the wrong way, I think.
Is it down there the way out?
No, it's like back around.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Sorry, I keep swearing. Woo!
Much only for kids.
You're going to think your wife's like this massive potty mouth. I'm usually not quite this bad, but I'm just a bit nervous. Thanks for this recommendation, canoe guy. Jeez.
Yeah, he's like this. He like takes his skin off and he's like a giant snake. He's like
working for the snakes.
His friends are like, thanks. He'll be really disappointed when we come back. They're like, oh, did anything unusual happen? No, we're fine. Did you see anything suspicious? No, nothing out of the ordinary. Oh. Snake Cove where we just came from, over there. She'll never return.
Did it work?